Let's take a right-hand journey through the fascinating world of brain health and mental wellness. Imagine your brain's ultimate control center, bustling with chakras of gray matter and white matter fiber bundles, all working together to keep your thoughts, emotions, and actions in harmony. Sometimes this bustling city faces challenges like traumatic brain injuries, including sports concussions or recurrent impacts, which can cause focal lesions or sharing forces that disrupt axons and dendritic processes in the gira and sulci. These injuries may lead to post-concussive symptoms and even chronic traumatic encephalopathy, where tau protein deposits, tiny tau tangles, accumulate around blood vessels and in regions like the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, causing atrophy and focal abnormalities in brain volume, especially in the frontal, parietal, and occipital lobes. The brain has remarkable resilience. Sometimes these injuries trigger neurobehavioral and neuropsychotic responses like anxiety, depression, and even mood disorders, highlighting the complex interplay of neurodevelopmental and environmental factors. Genetic stress, toxins, and infections all dance together, influencing cognition, emotion regulation, and behavior, sometimes leading to conditions like schizophrenia, spectrum disorders, bipolar disorder, or obsessive-compulsive disorder. In the cellular level, neurons and glial cells, including microglia and macrophages, work tirelessly when activated by neuroinflammation. They release cytokines like interleukin-1 beta and tumor necrosis factor alpha, which can cause oxidative stress and synaptic dysfunction. This inflammatory response can disrupt the blood-brain barrier, allowing immune responses involving T cells, B cells, and macrophages to enter the neural neighborhood, sometimes resulting in neurotoxicity or demyelination in the CNS or peripheral nervous system. With modern marvels like mRNA vaccinations, we're seeing how immune responses via lipid nanoparticles by proteins and exosomes can stimulate the body's defenses. These processes involve complex interactions with the angiotensin converting enzyme 2 receptor, microglia, astrocytes, and cytokines, which, while essential for protection, can also trigger inflammation and neuroimmune responses, sometimes leading to temporary cognitive deficits or neuropsychological disturbances. The brain's energy factories, mitochondria, play a crucial role, where mitochondrial dynamics, fission, fusion, biogenesis, and mitochondrial dysfunction can contribute to neurobiological issues, affecting neurotransmission systems like dopamine, glutamate, and GABA, and influencing delicate inhibitory excitatory balance that keeps our thoughts clear and mood stable. If you ever wondered about the connection between autoimmune process and brain health, conditions like neurofilament protein deposition and antibody response or neuroinflammatory pathways can sometimes lead to symptoms like hallucinations, delusion, or dissociative episodes. Sometimes the immune response involves the spleens, macrophages, or systemic factors like interferon gamma. So, continually learning how to support its resilience of the brain, bringing hope for better treatments and brighter mental wellness in the future.